Once you take out all the 4 10mm bolts on the back, it should just pop off. There's a little string and then a connector, and then all we have to do now is get this off and do the wiring. What you want to do is you want to get a 21mm socket, and then I suggest a breaker bar because sometimes these need a little bit of a push to actually work. And all you want to do is get it there, hold the wheel, and then like that. I recommend making sure it's as center as possible for when you're doing the rest of your installation, because it's just easier overall. Like doing that. Once you get off the first little difficult moment, you can just use your hand. Don't unscrew it all the way, because you do have to rock this a little bit in order to get the steering wheel off, and you don't want this to fly forward and hit you in the face. So you just want to rock it a bit, you know, till it comes loose, and then boom. Now it's still fairly centered. We're just going to take off the center bolt, put that to the side, and then that's our old steering wheel out, and I'll reveal the new one soon. There is a plate of metal that is meant for other Mazdas. I think it's for the RX-8, I think. What we're going to do is we're going to cut this, and we're going to wire it to here, so then when this plate is here, it grounds on the actual steering rack, so then, you know, when we press the button, the horn will work. 3 wires here. This connector is your airbag, this one's your horn. The horn one, it's going to be pretty easy to wire up. And for this one, you can either cut if you don't care about an airbag light, but you can just buy some cheap old 3 ohm resistors and connect these 2 with the 1 resistor, and it will get rid of your airbag light. The horn fish through here, and you have your resistor in the back. Right here, you have to remove a plastic plate, but that's fine. Then we have the 2 cables for the horn. We'll go wire this up, and then we should need to install the hub and then the wheel. Take these 2 connectors and connect it to these 2 prongs on the base of the quick release. Base connected to the quick release hub. All you have to do is just tighten these down in a star pattern. It's time for the moment we've all been waiting for, the reveal of what Momo steering wheel I have. Now there's some props to this one because it's fairly lightweight, so it is quite a bit of a weight reduction compared to the OEM wheel, but still will match everything else. We got, ignore the wiring mess on the floor, I got that on, but it is a red stitch with black leather and metal steering wheel with a black and red horn button. So we're going to install that onto here. Horn, it's pretty self-explanatory. You have these 2 tabs right here, 2 tabs right there, and you just need the 2 included cables to connect them, and then that's pretty much how you install a quick release steering wheel that lets you still use the horn and doesn't have an airbag light. Black and red Momo steering wheel with quick release adapter on a 1995 Mazda Miata. And as you can see, clicks on, clicks into place, it's all centered, and horn works. I might take this off soon, but so far all the mods we have on the inside are all kind of color matching. Black and red Momo steering wheel with the quick release, black and red weighted short throw shifter, black radio with red lights, and then the AC cup holder. And all these kind of correspond with the whole look of the Mazda Miata with the red and black throughout the car. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see y'all next one.